sihlangane nabantu usiboniso okhulumayo waseThema under i-branch i-New Zealanders under the press VN Zondo. Sithanda ukusho ukuthi nge-29 zakaJune sabe sine youth convention la eKwaThema Springs all age home. So ama registration wabantu bamachoirs namabandla wonke mele afike from 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock. So siqala ukuthi wonke umuntu as there are many types of sport lapho azoba khona mentally and physically, so there are some surprises la khona. So sicela ukuthi nje nize ngobuningi nisihloniphe, don't bring alcohol, just bring juice and water. Asizeni sonke and have fun. Mpumalanga Holy Church in Zion. Siyabonga.